Welcome to another episode of Trade for Tendies. Today we're going to talk about the TikTok deal. So, late Sunday night, news came out that Microsoft was rejected by TikTok for their bid. Now, everybody was surprised because surely Microsoft would be a great asset to TikTok to expand their global reach. But this is not the fact. The fact is that there's only one company left, or two, Oracle or Walmart, that could be on the run for TikTok. So earlier today, on Monday morning, it was confirmed by Oracle that they had taken over a technology partnership with TikTok. So whatever this means, technology partnership, it's not an acquisition of the US operation, but it's more of a partnership. So that's the news, and when the market opened, it was a great day all around for anything involved TikTok. Now, if you follow my trades for a while, you know that I've been a FSLY trader for a month now. So let's take a look at FSLY and see what happened today. Now, FSLY, take a look at the charts. Let's take a look at the action around FSLY today. So if you look at the overall long-term charts, now this drop here for FSLY was from earnings, went up, and then it dropped again from the TikTok ban. So why is FSLY reacting to TikTok? Well, that's because 10% of FSLY's business comes from TikTok. So without TikTok, FSLY will lose 10% of its business. So the reason it dropped because of the uncertainty, people are worried that FSLY may not be able to, they may be able to lose their customer, right? If TikTok get banned. So with the news today, FSLY responded very nicely. So on Friday we had a huge drop, but today when the market opens, it went all the way from 75 to 83. So it's almost a 10% rise in the morning. So pre-market, I was already seeing it FSLY going up. So I already had a game plan in mind. I actually will trade for the first 5 minutes of the market open. Now, usually I don't trade when the market opens because of the high volatility. But this case, it's a very good news for TikTok, for FSLY, and I want to take advantage of the high IV and high premium environment. So what I did was, as soon as the market opened at 9:30, I sold a TikTok put, a FSLY put for Friday, expiration Friday. I sold a cover call for FSLY for expiring this Friday for $83. So this is a bearish move. I know it's a little weird, but you would think that FSLY might go up, So I was looking at the options flow. It seems like there's a lot of negative FSLY momentum over here. So I look at this, I'm like, you know what? Provided that these orders are from back in the day, but it's still kind of bearish to me. But since I already have the FSLY, 100 FSLY shares, I'm actually free rolling this, right? So I sold a cover call for $83, even though my cost average is 83.5. So that's $50 I'm leaving on the table, but it doesn't matter because I was able to cash in on this cover call for $428. That means I pocketed $428 right there immediately to sell this cover call. Now, I did it when the market was just opened, right? So the implied volatility was over 100% there. There was some volume going on. So I look at the Greeks. So it was around 0.5 delta. And then I look at the theta. It's like, wow, it's 0.4 theta. This means this option will lose $40 as the day go on. So the odds are really good against me. And also I am free rolling pretty much. I'm okay with FSLY going above 83 by the end of the week. I'm totally fine with that. And if FSLY doesn't go above $83 by the end of the week, I pocket this either way, right? So I can do another cover call next week. This pretty much lowering my cost average over time. So this means if I look at, so I sold the cover call for $428, and then remember last week I sold another cover call for $215. And then remember my original FSLY put that I sold, in which I got assigned. I got it for 80 bucks. So in total, I have $723 of profit directly from FSLY. So this means my cost average is actually 83 minus 7.2. So my cost average is about 75, 74-ish on FSLY right now, which is amazing. And no matter what, I'm going to pocket these premiums. So this is really good for me. So hopefully my goal for the end of the week, either to get this cover call called away or not get called away and have FSLY like move between this price, 83.15. That way, next week, if FSLY decide to go right up, I'll pocket all the, sell the shares right away for a profit. So this is the game plan right now for FSLY, and I'm really happy about this. Now the other stock I was looking at this morning was Peloton. Now Peloton had a drop when the market opened. It was a big drop, and you know, after the earning, it seems like the traders are moving off Peloton, going to something else. So the market opens, it dropped from 84 all the way to 79-ish. So I got in Peloton around 79, 70. Let's see where I got in at. I got in at $80, 80.36. When Peloton was trading at 80.36, I sold a put for Peloton, 4 days expiration for 69.5 expiration. So why 69.5? Let's take a look. 69.5 is somewhere down here. So this is out of the upwards channel. So for it to reach my put strike price, it will have to break this upwards channel. And you know, with Peloton, I don't foresee it dropping this much unless we have another sell-off like last week, in which I'll probably get out early. But for now, my order is in a really good place, 69.5 puts. So I'm already at 77% profit on this. So out of the possible $62, I already banked 48. So that's good news for me, and I'll be watching the market. If the market decides to drop huge, I'll probably just get out of this order. But either way, I'm keeping this FSLY order because that's $428 right there. Pretty much free money. So I will be watching these two positions, and we'll see what happens tomorrow in the market. And I might do another order or something. So I'm really close to my goal of, like, you know, hitting $1,000 a week in profit. But at this rate, I like to continue doing what I was doing, because if you look at my winning rates, it's pretty high right now, and all my profits are really good. So don't forget, if you guys want to follow my trade, I have a link to this spreadsheet here. Feel free to make a copy or follow along when open the sheets during the market hours and see my trades live. And don't forget, there's a link to our Discord channel if you guys want to join the Discord where I talk about my trades there. Feel free to join. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you guys next time.